Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals through online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so consider these factors when choosing. Tips for maximizing earnings include completing profiles, leveraging free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Implement best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Beware of warning signs like membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information, which may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites. Surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and some even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your input and pay individuals to gather market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start earning today by participating in online surveys.